there, my name is Naomi and I will guide you through the core elements of our pedagogical model, a threefold approach we call hands-on, heads-on and hearts-on learning. Now, let's get started with the first part of our pedagogic trinity, the hands-on learning. To us, hands-on is all about the joy of experimentation. You, too, may already have discovered how well your little scientists respond to rolling up their sleeves. And if not, well, that's okay as well. Because of our research, we approach hands-on learning a little differently than many. In our lessons, we use stories and dramatic play to encourage learning.
And now you become a real scientist.
Why stories, you might ask? Well, our research suggests that play is the most natural way for a child to learn, be it with art or with science. In play, or hands-on inquiry, you engage with your little scientists and introduce them to STEAM learning concepts in a way that is most natural to them. In our lessons, hands-on inquiry starts with a message from our very special guest, Rosalie the robot. At the beginning of each lesson, Rosalie brings us a letter from a mysterious world called Supraland.
Wow! Isn't it amazing?
Wow!
Ah!
Is that Rosalie's house?
This is also the stage where the inquiry process starts. The scientists receive a research problem. Inquiry continues with experiments. The little scientists are required to activate their senses to explore the problem at hand.
Why is the egg to make?
Very well concentrated.
And when senses activate, thinking activates. To us, this is what learning by doing means in practice. Your role, dear teacher, is simply to facilitate and support the scientists' problem solving. At the end of each lesson, we return to Rosalie the robot and report on our findings. This is also the final stage of the active inquiry process.